this video, I'm going to teach you some quick tricks on how to divide decimals, and it has to do with powers of 10 and exponents. Okay, so if we have this question that says find the value of 0.235 divided by 10 to the 3. So this is a quick video on how to do this. Okay, so divide to find the value, of course, because it says divide. So 1,000. This 10 to the 3 becomes 1,000 because 10 to the 3 is the same as 1,000. This 3 tells you how many zeros are in it. Okay, so 3 zeros in 10 to the 3, which equals 1,000. The 10 to the 3, this 3 is also important for the next thing I'm going to teach you. So when you divide this, it's going to become 0.000235. So there's an easier way to do this. When you divide a decimal by a power of 10, the exponent tells you how many places to move the decimal point. So for division, we move the decimal point 3 places to the left. Okay, so we're dividing and we're going to move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So it was here, the decimal point. See, it was here, and we just move it 1, 2, 3. So this 3 tells us a lot. This tells us that there's 3 zeros in the number, so the number becomes 1,000. This 3 also tells us how many decimal places to move the original number to get the answer. So we move it 3 times to the left. 1, 2, 3. Left means division. Okay? And that's it. That's all there is to this problem. Don't worry if you didn't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it and you'll find the link to this video in there, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.